Hi, welcome back. So for today's video, we are going to solve the example number 5. So let me read first the problem. A savings account has an annual interest rate of 3% compounded monthly. Find the amount in the account 18 months after 5,000 pesos is invested. Okay, let's do the step number 1. We need to identify the variable. So let us remember that we count the sequence based on the number of conversion periods. Again, we need to count the sequence based on the number of conversion periods. Therefore, we are going to let A sub M is equal to amount in the account, amount in the account after n months. After n months. Okay, that is our step 1. Now what about step number 2? Identify what is being asked. What is being asked? So we want the amount in the account 18 months after investing 5,000 pesos. So this means that we want the A sub 18. Again, we want the amount, the A18 amount in the account 18 months 18 months after. This is what we want. After investing 5,000 pesos. So we want the A sub 18. Why 18? Because of 18 months. That is our conversion period. Alright, now let's have step number 3. Identify the given values. So the rate for 1 month, we need to calculate first the rate per 1 month. Mom, why 1 month? Because it says in the problem that it is compounded monthly. So what is that? We need to divide it by 12. Rate for 1 month. 0.03 divided by 12. 0.0025. So our common ratio would be 1 plus 0.0025. 1.00, but this is our common ratio. Again, 1 is the wholeness, and of course, the interest is 0.0025, or the common ratio is the rate for 1 month rather is 0.0025. So let's compute for the first term. 5,000 pesos times the common ratio 1.0025. So we will have 5,012 5,012.5 as our first term. Okay. Now let's move on with step number 4. Step 4. We need to identify the series or sequence to be used. Identify the series or sequence to be used. So that is, we are going to use, obviously, because we have common ratio, it would be geometric sequence. And the formula would be A18 is equal to first term common ratio 18 minus 1. Ratio to the power of 18 minus 1. Okay, now let's move on with step number 5 of show the solution. So with that in mind, that it would, the first term is 5,012.5. The common ratio is 1.0025, which to the power of 18 minus 1. So use your calculator. You will get 5,229.85. Okay, so step 6 will be our final answer. Final answer is the amount in the account after 18 months is 5,229.85 pesos. All right. Thank you for listening. See you again to our next lesson. Goodbye.